Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and available disk space, so large wallpapers or videos don't cause issues. Once done, right-click the desktop and choose Personalize to open background settings. This is where you begin. Make sure to decide now whether you'll use the built-in slideshow, a video playing app, or a third-party live wallpaper program so you download or prepare files ahead of time. Now configure the source. If you pick slideshow, click Browse and add the folder with your images, set change interval and shuffle. If you choose a video-based tool or third-party app, install it, run initial setup, and grant it permission to run in the background. Also, make sure power settings won't pause animations. Set the screen timeout and battery options to allow continuous display. This prevents the live wallpaper from stopping when idle. Finish by applying settings and testing. Lock and unlock or open multiple apps to confirm the wallpaper remains active. If using an app, enable Run at Startup and check Task Manager to ensure it's not being blocked. If the wallpaper fails to display or stutters, reassign a static background, update GPU drivers, and restart Windows. This often clears conflicts. If problems persist, revert to the built-in slideshow to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.